You know what? I'll be nice. I'll let you in so you can be in the video. Nissan driver. No, stop. Yeah, you know, I know you guys love seeing all the people that run all the stop signs in my videos. If you want to see more, subscribe because you'll love it. I promise. Because would I ever lie to you? Of course not. So subscribe because I'm trustworthy and shit. You're just gonna stay over there? Nope, nope, nobody, nope, nope, nope. The cops' lights are on.
I'll fear no one. I'll make some cool off like the polar cat. Legit. Hits Mr. Thorough's back. Push his back to make a profit.
Oh, that was an extra regret behind me. Wow, you got around one bus. It's amazing that you were able to do that. Red light, Ron. Nissan driver. Why in the street? There's bike paths on either side.
We're on the same train here, so we might as well continue down the track.
Red light, Ron. Maybe.
We're gonna close it out. Don't
Probably.
worry, this is the end.
Who knows? Extra regret up there. Although it's not really an extra regret, that's just the guy being an asshole. Asshole. Really?
And they get off to a bad start against that schedule. And he goes on and on, plays well. The last thing Washington's going to do is...
Nice cut off. I mean, the right lane ends, but it doesn't end yet.
And this is given a head coach.
Okay, one it behind the guy.
The impatience of owners now.
That could have worked.
You always feel, hey.
You say it's full grown. Hope that we feel this way forever. We could have a pretty picnic, but we can't predict the weather. And you drive like a douchebag. Exit dive. It's an exit dive.
Education, which means that there are going to be fewer and fewer women who can even
Exit dive.
Fewer women doctors and nurses who could treat women.
Brother run. And another one. Nissan driver. And a pedestrian. Red light, run. No, stop. Red light, run. Probably. And it stopped.
Playing Call of Duty where you're getting screamed at the N-word by 10-year-olds all day long. I mean, a lot of people are dedicating their life to that. But now
Nice
like
cutoff.
Simulating actual experiences.
Really?
I think it does draw you back out to it. I think it makes you that. Yeah, touch somebody.
Okay, well, I hope we see you in the next show. I hope this isn't your last day.
Fully legged.
No, stop.
Fully legged.
Lex sucks.
Footless Joe. Twinsies.
At last, Cap said, Hochstetter and his colleagues suggest it may take 2 years
No, stop.
to grow up completely.
Because everyone ignores the stop sign because really, it really shouldn't be a stop sign. It should just be a yield sign, but what are you going to do? I got to put something in these videos, and the car behind me did not stop either. So, there you go. No one cares. And you're just going to get stuck at this red light anyway, so it's like, what's the point? What's What's the point to all this? Why do I make these things? I don't know.
Yeah, all the time. You walk into one of those.
Why do you move over there?
Liners in the back of your mind.
You know, when cars have those flashing lights, you gotta move over. That's what those flashing lights are for.
We were turning into one. Beset with demons on every side, but helpless to fight them off.
Exit
or even to
dive.
enlist help. Would have sent flowers to his funeral. Comedy life could sometimes be. It taught them about Skidmore locks, about square door boxes, about secondary locking devices that can
That was almost a nice cutoff.
tumblers if the
Exit dive. Exit dive again, behind me. Exit dive again. I think it's the third exit in a row there was an exit dive at. I can never understand why people don't just back into parking spots. It is so much easier to back in and then pull straight out. I can never understand why people have to insist on pulling straight in and then take it forever, especially in bigger vehicles like that. Stop it. Do it better. Red light, Ron. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there if we happen to be in the sucky state of Connecticut. But fortunately, we are not in Connecticut. This guy's okay. He's perfectly fine. In fact, he's moving back over right now. So everything's fine. At least I think. I don't know what the hell this guy's doing. But anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Okay, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!